Alright, we're all packed up. Got in late last night from Georgia, doing a job in Atlanta, and got the bike packed up. We were going to take Black Betty, but I had her in the shop for fork seals, and the shop would not leave her outside after hours for liability issues. So we're taking Big Betty. Packed her up last night, and hopefully we're ready to go. Let's go see. Good morning, everyone. It's that time of year. Kernville Kampout 2023. And we're supposed to be heading out, but are you ready yet? Hello? 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 This intercom doesn't work. Oh, now it's all listening to the door. No. No. Anyways, are you ready yet? Hello? Hello? The alarm goes off at 6 a.m. I'm ready to go. She wanted to take another nap. Well, I did say, do you want to sleep for another hour? So we'll get on the road eventually. It's been a process. Hello? Hello? Like a Sasquatch. Just got caught. Don't move. Suspicion is based on movement.
Shut up. Shut up.
Almost forgot the most important thing. Cue ready montage. Everybody say Kernville.
Kernville.
So it's just the two of us this year riding in on Friday. We're the late arrivals, but you know, we can't always be the first ones. Shut the hell up. Why is it climbing so hard? Stupid
Oh,
planes.
are you a pilot? I didn't know.
Yes. Am I dynamic now? They even put my name on the post. They knew I was coming. Of course, no one saved a spot for us.
Of course.
So we've got nowhere to set up a tent.
Now we have to go beg John.
We're gonna go see what the old man says. If we can sleep in his camper. Kernville Kampout's an event put on by Builtwell every year in Kernville, California at the Frandy Campground. It's basically a 3-day weekend event and just party, ride, repeat type deal, not to steal from the Oregon run. They have live bands, all you can drink, tug of war, spaghetti-o, eating contest, all the good fun stuff. It's a good time. So there's a car show right across the river from the campground. Campground's across the river there. Car show's right here. Be cool. A little extra stuff to check out while we're here. Here's my jam. Nova SS. Yeah. So right now I'm going to go over back to the campground and get a few drinks, relax a little. Yeah. So they only sell 1,000 tickets to this event. So if you don't get them, you're out of luck. The mighty Kern River. Sweet. Take them to get it up.
Well, they're still trying to figure out how to nail it in. I think they're gonna move it.
And I was over his house one day.
Alright.
I kind of want to go put on some makeup.
I kind of want to put on some makeup too.
Yeah, okay.
It's gonna get weird. Real weird.
Let's go! Put it together! Come on, make some noise! Shoot! 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 Shoot!
You don't look too happy. Throw a leaf. Throw a leaf. Watch. They'll think it's food. Suckers. Look at it. See? Fighting over it.
You're like, oh, this bitch.
Throw another leaf. Somebody put a nice American flag up there. Here's old man's bike. They've started revving their engines. Where are you at? They're so patriotic behind us. They've started revving their engines, as you can tell.
Yeah.
This will go on till about 3 in the morning. They must have a really good warranty because
This can't be good for their engines.
It's kind of cool, all the big tents are blocking it though. We still get our dark a little bit?
I'm walking over to old man's RV to go to sleep, and there's a little friend here. Hello, little dear. Anyways, first night down. Long day, long ride. Had a good time though. It was fun. Got my shirt. Hopefully get some good rest and do it all again tomorrow. This time a little more rested and go do some good riding. All right, bye-bye. Good morning from Kernville, Saturday. So we slept well over in the camper. It was a little crazy here. Lots of revving engines, and we just didn't really have a spot to set up, so we ended up sleeping out there. Mike got in at about 2 in the morning. Today we're gonna go for a ride. We're not sure where, but we're gonna go get some breakfast and see how the day goes.
I want to be in your film for.
How long do I have left?
Why don't you
You're
just going on fucking Facebook so I can fucking tell you all the fucking feelings I feel fucking about you? Beep, beep, beep.
Hurry.
Inspirational words. Keep pushing.
What happened to your...
Even when you're on the toilet.
Don't drink a lot at night.
What?
Don't drink a lot at night.
Why?
God, fucking liquor's bad.
So how many energy drinks did you have?
All the way down.
I had 2 5 hours and 1 Red Bull.
And what time did you get in?
1:50.
How was the ride?
Dark.
Today we're gonna go for a ride somewhere. We haven't decided yet, but we're gonna get some breakfast first and have a nice day chilling, riding. And then tonight's when the dinosaur comes out, literally. Some of the key points of Kernville is engines revving throughout the night, dust, dinosaurs, drinks, and Marley! Some people will get that. ride out to the hot springs. They were closed. We enjoyed the ride though. And now we decided we're gonna pull off. There's this bridge and this really cool part of the river where it's just a bunch of boulders and rocks. It's a beautiful day out. Beautiful day. Go ahead, babe. Go ahead, babe. Yeah. Don't try this at home.
They're rolling. Joey. Danny.
So someone just handed me this biker cutie. And then I met one of my subscribers. Unfortunately, it was really loud. I couldn't hear your name, but thank you for subscribing, and I appreciate meeting you. And here's to a good night. Cheers.
Get him, Josh. Get him.
That's red line.
Is it?
I'm wearing boots.
No, you're putting your feet.
Make sure your feet go through the feet, and just don't push through. You don't want to puncture a hole.
I'm just watching. I'm waiting for you guys to tell me.
If you puncture a hole, it's all done for.
Right there. Like it?
Third try's a
Want
charm,
it?
all right?
Oh yeah, baby. Take it. Bring it home. Take that fucking. Oh my God. Someone got him out of the campsite.
This way.
Who am I listening to? And I can't see. Motherfuckers, I'm blind.
The thing is all deformed. Stop walking like an idiot.
Give it up, boys. We have very little time left with you guys.
Only like 3 more hours. I know, like.
Beautiful to turn me on. I'll just need your body, baby.
Well, that might be the conclusion to Kernville 2023, the final night. Tomorrow's heading home. So you know what that means. Kernville 2023 is over with. But maybe next year. Maybe not. I don't know. Last night was pretty fun. Any comments to that? Oh, yeah, the dopey's here.
Hello.
Hello. Hello. Don't you do it as I drive off. He's watching.
Oh my god.
These are 24 frames a second. And it's very majestic, whatever you're doing right now.
This is majestic.
Yeah.
This is unhinged. Huh?
Just like that, we're home. Rebel's home. All right.